Hi everyone! Welcome to Kanji time. Today we are going to learn N for Kanji. Let's go! Oh, if you want to do the quiz first, please go to these signs. This kanji means go back, resort in, return home. The on reading for this one is ki, like in 帰国する, which means return to one's own country. あと2日で帰国します。I'm going to back to my country in 2 days. あと2日後に帰国します。And the kun reading is 帰, as in 帰る, which means to go back. This kanji means wide, broad, spacious. The on reading for this kanji is 広, as in 広大, which means vast. And the kun reading is 広, as in 広い, meaning vast, spacious. This kanji means degree, time. The on reading for this kanji is ど, like in もう一度, which means one more time. And the kun reading is 旅, like in たびたび, which means often. たびたびお世話になります。This kanji means build. The on reading for this kanji is 建, like in 建築, which means architecture. And the kun reading is た,だ, like in 建てる, which means to build. This kanji means pull, quote, refer to, install, tag. The on reading for this kanji is in, as in 引力, which means gravitation. The kun readings are ひ or び, like in 3割引き, which means 30% discount off. Quiz time! Say the reading of the following kanji. 3割引き、帰国する、たびたび、広大、建てる。Now say the meaning of the following words. 引力、gravitation, もう一度、one more time, 建築、architecture, 帰る、to go back, 広い、vast, spacious. 以上です。Thank you guys for watching. That's all for today. もう一度勉強したい人はビデオをもう一回見てね。Thank you. Bye bye.